Bentar ya, sebentar aja. PPT. Dah.
Di itu apa di full screen bisa nggak?
Pause.
Full screen.
Udah. Udah kelihatan kan, Mbak?
Udah. Bisa dimulai nggak apa-apa. Oke, kelas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, we are from group 13. We want to show the presentation. Before this group begin, let me introduce the member of our group. There are Nabila Rizkia, Melina Ayu, and also me as moderator, Muhammad Iqbal. So, for the first presenter, Melina Ayu, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Oke, so yang pertama adalah sistem pendidikan di seluruh dunia
Pindah dulu layar itunya.
Apa, Bang?
Layar itunya. Apa? PowerPoint-nya, slides-nya.
Ini kan udah dipindah.
Nggak kelihatan.
Udah?
Udah.
Oke, yang pertama dari source language-nya adalah sistem pendidikan di seluruh dunia didasarkan pada suatu gagasan di mana siswa mendapatkan dan mengingat informasi dari guru dan buku. Target language-nya adalah education system around the world are based on the idea that students get and remember information from teachers and books. For the explanation, we use teachers and books. To translate guru dan buku, we add s at the end of the word because in this sentence, it describes based on ideas around the world. So it means more than one, or it is called as plural. Number 2 is sistem ini menguji pengetahuan tersebut dengan tes standar yang membandingkan siswa satu sama lain. Untuk target language-nya, this system test that knowledge with standardized test that compares students with each other. Okay, the word each other used to refer to each member of a group or student. Next is number 3. Mereka hanya menguji jenis informasi yang mungkin diukur dalam pengujian. Tujuannya adalah memperoleh informasi, bukan mengembangkan keterampilan yang digunakan dan membuat informasi. They only test the types of information that the test might measure. The goal is to acquire information, not to develop the skill used and to produce information. So the explanation is the word memperoleh, written as acquire because it is mean to get new knowledge or a new skills by learning it from that information. Number 4 is berbeda dengan gaya pendidikan lama, di mana orang mengingat sesuatu untuk lulus tes dan mendapatkan nilai lebih tinggi dari siswa lain. Dunia modern membutuhkan pendidikan jenis baru di mana fokusnya adalah pemahaman yang mendalam, kreativitas, dan keterampilan manajemen informasi. In contrast to the old style of education where people remember something to pass tests and get higher grades than other students, the modern world requires a new kind of education where the focus is deep understanding, creativity, and information management skills. For the explanation is in this, sentence berbeda dengan used in contrast to, because this is an argumentative text which usually it has supporting sentence for pro and cons. So it's better if it is written as in contrast to than different. Okay, next is number 5. Sebagian besar sistem pendidikan di dunia dirancang untuk membuat siswa mengingat banyak hal. Salah satu alasannya adalah sekolah merasa perlu membandingkan siswa. Most education system in the world are designed to make students remember many things. One reason is that school feels the need to compare students. Okay, for the explanation is in this sentence, we use most, not most of, because most for the meaning of sebagian besar is used large scale or unlimited. For example, country and the world, while most of is used for a more specific scale, limited to certain condition and space. Yang keenam adalah mereka melakukan ini dengan memberikan tes. Mereka ingin bisa memberi nilai dan memutuskan siswa mana yang pintar dan mana yang tidak. Sistem tersebut berfungsi sebagai mekanisme pemilihan bagi masyarakat. They do this by giving tests. They want to be able to grade and decide which students are smart and which are not. The system functions as a sorting mechanism for the community. For the explanation is the word bisa can be translated as can, but in this sentence, to be able is considered more accurate than can. Oke, udah. Selanjutnya adalah Iqbal.
Oke, next slide. Oke, dari kelas-kelas awal, siswa ditempatkan pada jalur akan menentukan masa depan mereka. Target language, from early grade, students are placed on path that will be defined their future. For the explanation, jalur is the same as jalan that can be translated as a path, and the word place indicate that the sentence use the simple past tense. Oke, number 8. Alasan lain sekolah ingin membuat siswa mengingat sesuatu adalah dengan melakukan itu mereka akan dapat menguji pengetahuan mereka dan menentukan apakah mereka ingat atau tidak. Target language-nya. Another reason schools want to make students remember things is by doing so they will be able to test their knowledge and determine whether they remember or not. For the explanation, the word it refers to the word mengingat. Oke. Oke, number 8.1, sekolah juga gemar memberikan ilmu karena dengan cara ini, meskipun siswa memiliki keterampilan individu yang berbeda, tetapi mereka semua dapat memiliki pengetahuan yang sama. For target language, schools also like to provide knowledge because in this way, even though students have different individual skills, they can all have the same knowledge. So for the explanation, gemar, same as suka, that can be translated as like. Next, okay. Einstein berpendapat bahwa imajinasi lebih penting daripada pengetahuan. Pengetahuan terbatas, imajinasi mengelilingi dunia. Target language, Einstein argued that imagination is more important than knowledge. Limited the knowledge, the imagination surrounds the world. So for the explanation, based on the text, argue is the we use useless. Sorry. So based on the text, argue is the verb using past tense, I think. Sorry, there is no complete for number 9. So next, number 10. Semua pengetahuan di dunia tidak berguna kecuali Anda dapat menggunakan informasi dengan cara yang kreatif. Pengetahuan adalah apa yang diciptakan oleh orang lain. So for the target language, all the knowledge in the world is useless unless you can use the information in creative way. Knowledge is what other people create. For the explanation, we use useless to translate tidak berguna, because useless is the sentence adjective, and then we use unless to translate kecuali. Next, number 11. So setiap orang melihat, mendengar, merasakan, dan berpikir secara berbeda. Everyone sees, hears, feels, and thinks differently. For explanation, sees, hears, feels, and thinks, they use the S behind the word because everyone's denotes a people who are more than one or plural. Number 12. Karena itu, ujian menjadi tidak logis. Satu-satunya alasan adanya tes adalah untuk memberi label pada siswa sebagai pintar atau bodoh. Bagaimanapun, ada banyak jenis kecerdasan. Therefore, the test becomes illogical. The only reason test exists that the label students as smart or stupid. After all, there are many types of intelligence. So, for the explanation, use however to translate however because however is a coordinating conjunction, which is a conjunction in English which function to combine two sentences which have the same position and are located between the linked sentence or clauses. Number 13, salah satu peneliti yang terkenal di bidang kecerdasan, Gartner, menemukan setidaknya 7 kecerdasan. Gartner, 1999. So for target language, one of the most well-known researchers in the field of intelligence, Gartner discovered at least 7 types of intelligence. Gartner, 1999. For the explanation, we use researcher to translate researcher. We can also use investigator to translate researcher. But the word researcher is the most familiar word to translate research. Okay, next, Mel. Okay, I think my part is done. So Nabila, time is yours.
Okay. Next. Okay, number 14. Kecerdasan dan pemahaman saling terkait, sayangnya tes hanya mengukur satu jenis kecerdasan. Di dunia modern, keterampilan lebih penting daripada pengetahuan. Intelligence and understanding are intertwined. Unfortunately, the test measure only one type of intelligence. In the modern world, skills are more important than knowledge. For the target language, for the explanation, we are opportunity to translate word sayangnya because opportunity is sentence adverb. Number 15. Di dunia modern, keterampilan lebih penting daripada pengetahuan. Jauh lebih penting untuk dapat menemukan informasi dengan cepat, mengatur informasi itu, menganalisis, dan memahami ide-ide utama. Menyatukan potongan-potongan informasi yang berbeda atau mensistensis dan membuat informasi baru. In the modern world, skills are more important than knowledge. It is much more important to be able to find information quickly, organize that information, analyze and understand my ideas, put together different pieces of information or synthesis, and create new information. For the explanation, we use modern era dan modern word to translate dunia modern because that word are more appropriate to translate that words, and also we use combine to translate menyatukan then word put together because according to us it's more appropriate to use that word. Okay, next. Oke, number 16. Kebanyakan orang di dunia percaya bahwa pendidikan adalah tentang mengingat hal-hal untuk mengikuti tes yang mengukur kinerja seseorang terhadap orang lain yang telah mempelajari informasi yang sama. Most people in the world believe that education is about remembering things to take tests that measure a person's performance against other people who have learned the same information. For the explanation, we use against to translate terhadap. Okay, next. Number 17. Namun, gagasan ini tidak lagi sesuai dengan realitas dunia modern di mana pengetahuan kurang penting daripada kreativitas dan pemahaman yang mendalam. However, the idea no longer fits the realities of the modern world where knowledge is less important than creativity and deep understanding. For the explanation, there are words comparing and contrasting. Here it is, however. Number 18. Untuk menjadi sukses di era teknologi, pendidikan harus fokus pada membantu siswa memperoleh keterampilan manajemen informasi dan inovasi. To be successful in the technological age, education must focus on helping students acquire information management and innovation skills. For the explanation, in this part, the writer sum up all the points that have been present, a call to action and revert to the thesis statement once again.
Oke, sekian dari kelompok 13. Bagi teman-teman yang ingin menambahkan atau mengoreksi, waktunya dipersilahkan.
Sorry, can you share your PowerPoint to our group on WhatsApp?
Dean, 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 Dean. Tidur. Oke teman-teman, apabila belum ada yang ingin menambahkan atau mengoreksi, halo?
Iya, sebentar ya dibaca dulu PPT-nya.
Oke.
Oke, Mai.
Melina, daripada recordnya kelamaan, di pause aja dulu, nggak apa-apa.
Oh iya ya. Oh.
Oke teman-teman, mohon maaf apabila belum ada yang ingin menambahkan atau mengoreksi, bisa kita move di WhatsApp group secepatnya. Oke, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan live dulu, mau di screenshot buat absen keluar.
Oke.
Tolong on cam semuanya.
Dah ya. Nanti bentar. Satu, dua. Satu, dua, tiga. Satu lagi. Tahan guys, bentar. Udah.
Mel, recordernya di stop aja kalau udah selesai.
Iya.